social media apps currently trending, and the videos are so awesome, entertaining. Most people are currently using TikTok to engage in different ways of communicating, either maybe to display their own music video or probably to display their own talent or something educative. So if you have not joined TikTok, I think you are really missing out. I believe as mobile users, you have stumbled on most TikTok videos and have actually left your own like or even commented. Now TikTok video is not really a big deal because everything has been provided for you to apply. It's just the strategy and ways of applying it that make your video very okay and awesome and entertaining. There are some awesome videos out there and there are whack videos out there. I remember when I made my very first video, I think the video was totally whack. Take a look at the videos that I made when I started on TikTok.
What's the English name for Pomo?
Pomo? Is it not Pomo?
Are you asking me?
Is it meat for the abacha?
Hey!
Toe.
Toe.
May.
May.
Toe.
Toe.
Tomato.
Manamigo.
I'm not saying you should not gossip about me. You are free to. But please, don't lie. Which one be she not even fine? Hello? I dey pain you. Or you want joy jealousy with the gossip?
As you can see the videos, well, they're not that bad. But until I began to understand the concepts and strategies like slow-mo videos, how there are instances where you see video and at a point the person begins to act in a slow movement. There are strategies to it. It's a leg movement. It has nothing to do with applying the slow motion effect, you know. And these are subsequent things I'm going to explain to you in due time. So, and also we have some fast timers and also slow timers that most times when you apply them, you begin to, have a very fast effect. And I believe with time, and as I applied it to my video, and as I applied the test options, sticker options, and lip sync options, my videos became quite awesome.
911, what's your emergency?
I'm dead! I think I'm dead! Oh, time's going by really slow and my heart's beating backwards!
What makes you think your heart's beating backwards?
Well, normally it goes goop boop, and now it's going boop goop!
Are you having any other symptoms?
I can see sounds! I can hear colors! I forgot how to shit!
Sir, have you taken any illegal substances?
No! I just ate a brownie that a drug addict gave me, but that ain't got nothing to do with my emergency.
And what's your emergency, sir?
I measured my butt crack 3 times and it was longer each time. I'm splitting into 2 people! Ooh! There's like 17 more brownies on that plate. I'm gonna finish them off and call you back.
Go.
Yeah.
Do you need to create that video? If you want to make it in a professional way, I believe starting out something should be quite good. You must have a tripod stand, okay? A ring light. If you don't have money or the budget for this, you can actually build something like a box that can hold your phone. Or you can pile a stack of books and somehow create a little space for you to place your phone. Then ensure that you're very loud. You have it loud. If you can't afford a mic, you can make your voice really quite audible and stay in a place that is not noisy. You can also make use of your fluorescent light or your rechargeable lamp if you have one. Welcome to about TikTok. TikTok has become predominantly the most popular app used by thousands of individuals all over the world to create awesome videos. It's a destination for creating short videos that are spontaneous, engaging, and exciting. This app was released in the year 2016 with different innovative concepts that can help you create an awesome video in the form of stunts, inspiring videos, entertaining videos, educating videos, whatever you want to use it for. It has a capacity and the features to help you create that awesome video. I'm going to create a playlist that will give you a detailed rundown on how to make use of the different features or trending features that has been used and applied on TikTok. so you don't need to be left out. If others are making a slow videos, you should also know how to do that. If others are making use of the text duration options or lip syncing, you should also know how to make a very good lip sync. So this playlist is going to contain all that, from the start up to the publishing, to the posting. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my page, please, I would like you to do that. Just hit on the subscribe button and follow through, like and comment, and follow through on any notification. Now, for the first I call it TikTok 101, I'm going to explain to you how to install your TikTok app. We have TikTok, a normal TikTok, okay, and also the TikTok Lite. So whichever that you prefer, you can just make use of it. It creates or have the same function.
So moving on, you should have a Play Store. Once you tap on the Play Store app, then you click on the search box and type TikTok Lite. We have two various types. We have the normal TikTok and TikTok Lite. Okay, so I already have a TikTok account, but I'm gonna show you how to install your TikTok. So we tap on the TikTok and begin your installation process, and you just have to wait for it for some seconds to fully download before you can now initiate or open it up. Now it has installed. All you need to do is now to tap on the open, or you can just move back to locate where the app is located in your phone. So it doesn't really matter, just tap on open and it will now bring you up to the space where you need to initiate a login process. We have different forms. You can either log in through your Google account, your Facebook, through Twitter. It depends on where your preference lies. So I'm gonna use the Google account because I have Google account. I prefer to make use of my Google accounts to sign in into my apps. So I'm gonna use the Google account to sign up for the TikTok. And once you sign up, you can now see all the individuals that have already created videos, and what's left for you to do is just create your own similar video, and that should be in our next topic. And make sure that you're following up so that I can also explain to you how to go about this.
Subscribing to my page is going to build a little bit of more courage for me to do more. So please subscribe to my page, like, comment, and also share to those that we need this video. You don't need to explain to you how to make use of this. People may not really have time to go through details, but this video, this playlist is going to help you with any form of tutorial or any guide that you need. So thank you so much for staying here and watching. See you next time.